Hello everyone, welcome to Dream Decor. Today in this video, I share with you some country farmhouse style interior decoration ideas. Let's see the video. Country farmhouse style interior decoration is a warm, cozy, and welcoming design style inspired by rural farmhomes and simple country living. It blends rustic charm with comfort, practicality, and timeless beauty. Key features of country farmhouse style: natural materials, wood, stone, brick, and metal are commonly used. Think wooden beams, plank floors, and vintage metal accents. Neutral and soft color palette: whites, creams, beige, soft grey, and warm earth tones create a calm, airy feeling. Rustic furniture: solid wood furniture with a slightly worn or distressed finish adds character and authenticity. Cozy and lived-in feel: comfort is essential. Plush sofas, layered textiles, and inviting seating arts are key. Vintage and antique touches: old clocks, enamelware, ceramic jars, antique farms, and flea market finds bring history and charm. Simple patterns: check, stripes, florals, and grain stack prints are often used on cushions, curtains, and table runners. Open shelving and practical storage, especially in kitchens, open shelves, wooden cabinets, and glass jars for a functional yet decorative look. Handmade and DIY elements: crochet items, quilts, oven baskets, and handmade decor add warmth and personality. Farm-inspired accents: barn doors, apron furnishings, lantern-style lighting, and galvanized metal decor are popular features. Connection to nature: fresh flowers, greenery, potted plants, and natural light help bring the outdoors inside. Choose a soft, neutral color palette like white, cream, beige, or light gray for walls and large furniture. Add natural wood elements such as wooden tables, shelves, or picture frames. Use distressed or vintage style furniture for an authentic farmhouse feel. Layer cozy textiles, cotton throws, linen curtains, and knitted or crocheted cushions. Decorate with vintage accessories like old clocks, jars, pictures, and enamelware. Bring in oven baskets for both storage and rustic charm. Use simple patterns like checks, stripes, or soft florals on cushions and rugs. Display fresh flowers, dried flowers, or greenery in ceramic or glass vases. Choose warm, soft lighting, lantern lights, table lamps, or warm bulbs are best. At farmhouse wall decor such as wooden sinks, botanical prints, or antique mirrors. Keep spaces uncluttered to maintain a calm, airy atmosphere. Mix old and new pieces to avoid a space looking too staged. Use open shelves in kitchens or bring areas to display plates, jars, and cups. Incorporate metal accents like iron hooks or galvanized trays. Add handmade items, crochet, quilts, or DIY decor for a personal country touch. Overall feel relaxed, homey, nostalgic, and timeless, perfect for creating a peaceful comfort home. Thank you so much for watching this video.